Hey everybody, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. Jan and I are out on the town tonight. We're at downtown in Florence, Alabama at Lost Pizza, which is a franchise that's just opened here about several months ago. And we're taking a mid-afternoon lunch / dinner. And I got some olive bread and I've got a Mr. G sandwich, which is got some ham and some olive stuff on it, which I like. I got a couple of hot sauces. I got the table sauce here that they have on the table, and I've got the Alabama Red from Alabama Hot Sauce. So I'm trying first on this olive bread. Alabama Red is one of my favorite flavors. It's not terribly hot, but it is delicious. Now, let's see here. Well, that's pretty good. Alabama Red is a Louisiana style hot sauce, but it's thicker than most of them, not nearly as much vinegar. That's very good. Now we're going to try the table sauce. Ooh. This is clearly thin stuff. It's not bad. It's mostly olive vinegar, but it's got a decent taste to it. I think I'm gonna have to say that the winner, though, clearly is my Alabama Red. It's thicker, got a more peppery taste, and I love it. All right, folks. Thank you for joining us for this short video. Appreciate you being here with us, and I'll see you next time.